Now I have got potatoes in my hotbar. I've already harvested potatoes, so I'm going to show you how you make those potatoes into food. So I'm going back into the shelter and I'm going to go to one of these furnaces. Now all these furnaces at the moment have got coal in them. So I'm going to right click. I've already put coal in them, but I'll try and keep it stocked up. But if not, there's coal in the boxes and very shortly you'll be mining for coal. So I'm going to put my potatoes on top of the coal and the furnace immediately wakes up and is now cooking my potatoes, and so I have got one jacket potato there. Now what's really useful is as I fetch them out, did you hear a little ting? That gives me what's called experience points, and you can see in the middle of my hotbar between my lives and my food I've got experience points. When you've built up enough experience points, you can start to use spells and potions and magic books, all sorts of things to make your tools, your weapons, more powerful. So you can make diamond weapons that mend themselves, diamond weapons that protect you from harm, and all sorts of funny things. And you can see the furnace is working away like mad. If I right click on it, then now I've got 5 jacket potatoes. Have I got anything else to cook? That's cooked. Sugar canes make paper, and I've got some sunflower for yellow colouring. Okay, oops, another 2 jacket potatoes there I can take out. Every time I take something out of the furnace I get I work up across that little band of green marks until I get another experience point. Okay, so we've got food, we've planted a garden, we are now cooking some food, and we've experienced the first night disappear instantly because I went to bed. All over in about 2 seconds. So that's all for this video. Bye for now.